relation goes the wars of Palestine and Israel. So what's your perspective, sir, about this? What do you think? What will be the consequences of it, and whether it has the possibility that the third war is on the door of us? Yes, so what do you think? What your country's perspective about it in this war?
We have the same position as Pakistan.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Russia and Pakistan have been co-sponsors of two resolutions of the UN Security Council.
Yes, sir.
And definitely we have identical attitude and identical positions on the Gaza developments. Both countries condemn terrorism
Yes, sir.
in all forms and manifestations, and definitely we cannot approve Hamas taking hostages and killing civilians on the October 7th. But at the same time, we condemn disproportionate, indiscriminate use of force against the Gazans. And thousands of people have been killed, thousands of innocent people, half of them children. So definitely we condemn those barbaric actions. We see that the majority of countries of the world condemn Israel. But since Israel is enjoying the support of the United States, it continues to act with impunity. How to solve this situation, I don't know. I think neither do you. Probably we could have some hope for the change in public perception in the United States, which could influence the Biden administration. If the United States changes its posture, in that case we got a chance to stop Israel.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, I don't see how it is possible. As for a third world war, we are living in dangerous times, in very dangerous times. I think nowadays the world is much more dangerous than it used to be in the times of the Cold War, because a number of reasons. One of them, I believe, is that in the times of the USSR, in the times of the Cold War, people were actually afraid of military confrontation. Nowadays, that fear has gone, and this is very dangerous. People are living in some virtual world, like in a computer game. But life is not a computer game. There may be some miscalculations. Confrontation between great powers may spiral out of control, and in that case, there will be total destruction and chaos. So I wish I could tell you something encouraging, but I'm very pessimistic about the direction humankind as a whole is moving.
So as you think that we are also pessimistic about the current situation. So sir, you are one of the leading powers of the world. So what do you think that how we will solve these problems? Because you are the leading powers.
I already answered that the only way to change things is for the United States to change its position. So what do you want us to fight the US?
No, sir.
So
No.
why United Nations cannot take less suitable action against this bribery of?
You know why. Yeah, but you don't name it for some reason. You know why, and you know who vetoed those resolutions. You know why. You know the same country that sent two aircraft carriers to the Middle Eastern zone of conflict. The United States. This is who is, hampering the efforts. And you cannot ignore this.
Sir, how you see the situation of the relation of China and USSR? What is the future?
Russia.
Yes, sir. Russian and China relations in South Asia, and what's their role in South Asia in developments?
China is an emerging superpower. And in terms of purchasing power parity, it's already country number one. It is power number one, followed by the US. And their economy is estimated in terms of purchasing power parity as over $30 trillion. Second is the US, third is India, then Japan, and the fifth is Russia. We overtook Germany. So Germany is, so excited about being the US ally that it is destroying its own economy. So they are degrading very fast because of their deindustrialization, because of their businesses moving to the United States, because they voluntarily lost the source of cheap gas. Today we have opened the Russian House here at the Brains University. We are very happy about it, and today we're interacting with those students who used either to study the Russian language or to study Russia. As for Russian-Pakistani relations, I'm very happy about the way they are developing, and I think they got a bright future.
Okay, tell me about Israel and Palestine conflict. What is your opinion about this conflict?
My opinion doesn't matter, but the opinion of my country is the same, and we have the same position with Pakistan. So our countries were both co-sponsors of two humanitarian UN Security Council resolutions. Unfortunately, those resolutions were torpedoed by you-know-who. And right now we think that the United Nations General Assembly already spoke in favor of the immediate stop of those indiscriminate military actions in Gaza. And again, we are on the same page with Pakistan.
Thank you so much.